Welcome back to my channel. This is I was in USA Tito today. For today's vlog, I will show you how I clean my garden. So come and see. Alright, so here we go. This is our garden in front of the house. So this color black thing here, this is mulch. And we need to take it out. All of that. From here till the place of Jasper over there. There you go. All right, so come and join me. Let's clean. Things that we needed: wheelbarrow, rake, shovels, and later I will get the mower with trailer to put all the mulch and transfer to compost area. All right, let's begin. Mulch in Tagalog, I think it's pataba. So this is a layer of material applied to the surface of soil to protect it, help retain moisture, and also reducing weed growth and enhancing the visual appeal of the area. So pampaganda siya sa garden natin. Also, mulch is most commonly made of tree bark, wood chips, fine straw, moss, grass clippings, or leaves. It's from the composting, in short. And mulch needs to be replaced after a while because it will decompose, no longer providing nutrients to the soil. So we must to replace it for healthy plants. To shorten the video, I use time-lapse. And only me and Jasper do the gardening or cleaning because my husband at work and the girls at school. And it's perfect time. Look at the weather. It's so beautiful. It feels like summer, but it's still winter. Still chill, actually. And I just want to enjoy the weather and do workout like this. As you can see, it's still wet, the soil, so it's easy to use the shovel. Alright, almost done. Working like this is so tired, but I take it as my workout. Feels like I'm in the gym for free. Speaking of free, shoutout po sa mga Pilipina na nakapag-asawa po ng Amerikano, especially sa mga hindi pa po nagtatrabaho. Makaka-relate din po ba kayo dito sa aking sitwasyon? And also, nakakatanggap din po ba kayo ng mga personal message from our kakilala, kaibigan, kamag-anak na humihingi ng tulong or free money? Minsan nakakahiya nang mag-reply at sabihin yung totoo na wala tayong extra money for that dahil yung pera na kinikita ng ating asawa ay sakto lang din sa pang-araw-araw nating gastusin dito. Pero ang hirap ipaliwanag din minsan. Ang ine-expect kasi nilang buhay dito sa Amerika ay hayahay. Hindi nila alam na parehas lang din ang Amerika at ang Pilipinas. Pag wala kang trabaho, wala ka ding pera. And speaking of trabaho, ganito po ang aking trabaho dito sa Amerika, dakilang may bahay. And I'm so proud of that. This is my dream and makes me happy and complete thanks to my husband. Tsaka na lang ako magtatrabaho pag ready na ako makipagmayabang sa kapwa ko Pilipino dito. Alright, after 2 hours working here. So this is the result, but not yet finished. I will redo it maybe tomorrow again, or maybe I wait my husband to do something here in our garden. We are planning to put some plants here from our yard. Look at this. So we transfer this, all of this, lilies, beautiful flowers. Oh, I don't know what do you call this, but I heard yesterday from my husband it's lilies, so I call it lilies. So there's a lot. So we will transfer that over there. And I'm planning to put roses over there. So see you on our next vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. I will drop this from my compost area over there. Over there.